This recipe is quick, easy, sweet, and refreshing. I'm Tess, and I'm taking full advantage of blueberry season and making blueberry soup. Stay tuned. In a saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in the blueberries, sugar, orange juice, and nutmeg. I'm giving it a stir and bringing up to a boil on medium heat and stirring occasionally. Fresh grated nutmeg is a lot stronger than powdered nutmeg. I'm using powdered nutmeg and it seems to have a better taste in this soup. If you're using fresh nutmeg, then you can adjust the amount to your taste. As the blueberries come to a simmer, they will start to burst open and release all their flavorful juices. Let the blueberries simmer for 1 minute, remove from the heat and let slightly cool, almost to room temperature. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this summertime blueberry soup below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notifications of all my future video recipes. Now add the cool blueberry mixture to a blender or food processor along with some fresh lemon juice. Blend everything until smooth and liquefied, and this is going to take about a minute. Make sure you stop and scrape down the sides if needed. Then place the blueberry mixture in a lidded container and refrigerate until completely chilled. Just right before you're ready to serve and eat, add 1 cup of very cold half and half and mix thoroughly. This really adds a rich creaminess to this blueberry soup. If you wanted, you could leave a swirl design for presentation. The colors are so pretty and inviting. This recipe makes 2 nice servings and could be a nice appetizer for 4 people. The soup is refreshing, creamy, and full of blueberry flavor. The nutmeg gives it a nice complement. You can decorate as you like. The blueberry color is so vibrant, so I'm adding in some mint green and orange to highlight. This blueberry soup is easy and refreshing for those hot summer days. I hope you give this summer blueberry soup a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!